Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lamont, a friendly small town about 60 km east of Edmonton in central Alberta. The first settlers arrived in the 1880s, drawn by the Victoria Trail that linked Edmonton and Winnipeg. Later, the Canadian Northern Railway came through, and the town was named Lamont after Justice John Henderson Lamont. Over the years, this area has become part of Alberta's rich Ukrainian settlement region, with historic sites like the Ukrainian Cultural Heritage Village nearby, celebrating the traditions brought by early immigrants. The town is close to Elk Island National Park and lies within the scenic Beaver Hills region, known for its rolling landscape and wildlife. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lamont, Alberta.